you guys, do you know when you combine Blue Seal Vaseline and vitamin E capsule and apply on your skin, it can help tackle about 5 to 10 problems of your skin concern. Basically, I'm going to be showing you or illustrating on how you can prepare this mixture, the Vaseline and the vitamin E oil cream, to use to tackle your skin concern to achieve a healthy, glowy skin.
So my loves, if you are ready, as I am ready, let's dive into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl here this series, and if you're joining the channel for the very first time, you are welcome. I promise to always give out my best on skincare tips. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. What are the benefits of combining these two combo together? What are the benefits of combining the Vaseline Blue Seal and the vitamin E capsule to use on your skin to tackle your skin concern? So firstly, vitamin E capsule has an antioxidant property that helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. So vitamin E helps to moisturize the skin, that is, it helps to lock in moisture on the skin, helps to hydrate the skin, leaving your skin look so soft and smooth. So vitamin E capsule is very essential to your skincare routine. Vitamin E capsule is going to help to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, reduce the signs of aging, also reduce help to fade your dark spots, also going to help to prevent and protect your skin from sunburn. So basically, vitamin E oil is something that everybody needs to have on his or her skincare routine. So on the other hand, the Blue Seal Vaseline is going to help to prevent moisture loss. Not just that, the Blue Seal Vaseline is also going to help to hydrate and plump your skin, help in reducing the appearance of your stretch mark. So basically, when you combine these two combo, it's going to help to solve a whole lot of your skin concerns. So now, using these two combos together, what is it going to do to your skin? Using the two combos together with what? First of all, it's going to help to lock in moisture and hydrate your skin. Secondly, using the both together is going to help to reduce the appearance of your fine lines and your wrinkles. Combination of antioxidants and moisturizing property is going to help to do what? It's going to help to reduce the signs of aging. Guys, if you have a puffy eyes, all you have to do is to apply this combo beneath your eyes at night, then wash off in the morning. Do this for like 7 days and you'll be amazed on the results you're going to get. Also, if you have eczema on your face or on your legs as a result of the product you used in the past or you are using, my dear, make use of this combo. Just apply it at night. Make use of this combo at night, then wash off in the morning. You're going to be surprised on the results. Within interval of just few days, you're going to see the wonderful result it's going to leave your skin with. Like, it's going to give you this uniform skin tone. Make sure you are using the original Blue Seal Vaseline. And go back on my last video to check the different types of the vitamin E capsule and their uses. The different colors of the vitamin E capsule and their various uses, to know the particular color that will suit your skin concern, that will suit your skin issue, that will help to tackle that particular skin issue you are experiencing. So guys, let me quickly show you on how you can mix the vitamin E capsule and your Blue Seal Vaseline to use and manage your skin concern. So all you need is your teaspoon and your cup, or preferably your plate, so whichever one you can provide. I'm going to be needing 2 teaspoons of my Blue Seal Vaseline, so I'm going to be taking 2 teaspoons of this. This is 1 teaspoon. So this is the second teaspoon, right? So I'll add it to the first one. So here is it. So the next thing you're going to be doing, hope you all can see it. So the next thing you're going to be needing, you're going to be adding your vitamin E capsule. So this is the vitamin E capsule I'm going to be using. So this is the light gold vitamin E capsule. So what I'm trying to achieve in this mixture is to prevent aging, is to prevent signs of aging, to reduce signs of aging. So this is my 2 tablespoons of the Blue Seal Vaseline. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to add my vitamin E capsule. This is the vitamin E capsule I'm going to be using, the light gold animate vitamin E capsule. Actually, it depends on your preference. It depends on what you want to achieve. For me, the reason why I got this is to reduce the appearance or the signs of aging. So the light gold animate vitamin E capsule is going to help to prevent aging. So that was the main reason why I got this. So depending on your preference, depending on what you want to achieve, right? You can go back to my previous video to know the different types of the vitamin E, of the different types of the animate vitamin E capsule and their various uses. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add 4 to 5 capsules of my vitamin E. So this is the first capsule. Going in now with the second capsule. This is the second capsule. Oh, good. So I'm going in now with the third one. So this is now the fourth one and the final one. Next thing you're going to do now is to mix the two together to form what? To form a mixture. Just the same way I'm doing now. Now we are trying to form a mixture. It's so nice. You guys, can you see this? Can you see? Like, I so much love experimenting things. Like, I'm not just saying it just because I just want to say it. I like putting it in practice, like showing the practical work. So guys, this is it. After mixing, you're going to see that it's going to look so soft. Like the mixture is going to look so soft and fluffy. So the next thing you're going to do now is to put this in a airtight container. For me, I don't have any empty airtight container now. So what I'm going to be doing is to pour it back into the empty Blue Seal Vaseline. Yeah, I'm going to be pouring it back here. Oh my god, can you see that? Like, can you see? It's so fluffy, like it's so soft. So this is it, guys. So put it in an airtight container and store in a room temperature. Apply this, take a portion, apply this on the affected area. Assuming you have a puffy eyes, right? Just apply it beneath your eyes at night. Like last thing at night, apply it beneath your eyes, or if you want to use it to prevent aging or reduce aging, all you have to do is to take a portion of it and apply it all over your face at night. Or if you want to use it to prevent wrinkles, just take a portion of it and apply it on the particular area where you are experiencing that wrinkles. Assuming you have white patches and you want to use this particular mixture to manage it, to treat it, all you have to do is take a portion of it and apply it on that particular, on the affected area. Do this for straight 3 days to 7 days and you will be amazed on the result. This is something I have tried. and it worked for me. Like, it works perfectly for me. And I must tell you that if you should use it, you come back to this video and give us your testimony, because it works so well. For some of you that will be complaining that, okay, I was using this particular product and it started giving me, product gave me eczema. How do I clear my eczema? How do I get rid of my eczema? My dear, try this combo. Just try this combo. Use it for straight 3 days to 7 days on that particular area, and I assure you that you'll be amazed on the results it's going to give to your skin. So if you have skin discoloration, use this combo. It's going to give you a unified skin tone. This 2 combo is so hydrating. Like, it moisturizes the skin, it hydrates the skin, and it works marvelously well on the skin. This is one of the cheapest methods you can use to get rid of your white patches. This particular combo can help to reduce the appearance of your stretch mark. So guys, I've come to the end of this video on how you can use this mixture, on how you can use this 2 combo, the vitamin E capsule and the blue seal Vaseline, to manage about 5 to 10 different skin issues, to tackle your skin concerns. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, of course, like, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do well, hit on the subscribe button down below. Like, just do it now, like, to join the subscribe community. I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed.